Okay, so here's some of the details of this old structure. I guess you could say there used to be railings that went through here, but they're long gone now. The old Chambers Street subway. Put together like an old battleship. Oh, I wonder what that is. It's kind of neat. I just noticed that. Little box up there. Yeah. Huh. I wonder. That's quite interesting. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's at the fifth one. I want to find out what that's about. Huh. Really interesting. Okay. Well, I might have to come back with my grabby claw so I can pick the eye, so I can get that out of there and see what's in it. I might have found some treasure. Yeah. You can see though, it's quite the thing. I'm always really impressed with this, the way it's made. You know. Anyway, there we go. Let's go back up this way. Oh, my goodness. Yeah. Yeah, pretty neat. Hi.
How you doing?
Good, good. How are you?
Good, thanks.
Good. Okay. This used to be a store. I remember this being a little store at one time with gas pumps and everything. Yeah. Empress Avenue. We also have a Sussex Street here, which, for anyone who doesn't know, in Canada, the Prime Minister's residence is located on Sussex Street in Ottawa. In fact, I think this is Sussex Street up here. I believe so. Yeah, that's Sussex Street. I don't know, I probably can't see it, but that's Sussex Street. All right. Whew. Okay. Yeah, so there you go. There's a nice tour of the neighborhood of the Chambers Street area in Smith Falls, Ontario, Canada. We talk to you later.